Hi, I'm Leanne Dias from SMS Management and Technology, and today I'll be introducing you to the Interactive Service Hub that has been released with Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2016. The Interactive Service Hub has been designed to simplify day-to-day processes and provide easy access to information, while also delivering a richer, intuitive, and interactive dashboard experience. This screencast will demonstrate the dashboard capabilities and briefly touch on the redesign forms. Before I begin, a few items to cover. Navigation. The navigation in the Interactive Service Hub is similar to Microsoft Dynamics CRM. However, only the entities that are enabled for the Interactive Hub experience will be displayed in the navigation, as you can see in the screenshot. Some terminology. I have a stream at the leftmost side of this dashboard. A stream displays data from views or queues. In the center of the dashboard, I have a few charts which provide a visual representation of the data as well as filter capability. To the rightmost side of my dashboard, I have a few tiles. A tile provides an aggregated view of the data in a stream. There are two types of dashboards. You have a single stream dashboard, which, as the name suggests, has only one stream. And then you have a multi-stream dashboard, which has multiple streams. Dashboard components. I've stripped the information off this dashboard and we're left with its skeletal structure. To the top left-hand corner of this dashboard, I have the dashboard selector, which allows me to navigate between dashboards. I then have a refresh button, which allows me to refresh the information in my dashboard. The visual filter, which allows me to enable or disable my charts on the dashboard, and the global filter to set your filters. You also have a timeline filter, which is at the top right-hand corner of the dashboard, which allows you to filter records for a specific period of time. And to the bottom right-hand corner of the dashboard, you have two buttons which allows you to switch between the stream view and the tile view. Chart types. You're familiar with the pie, bar, and line chart. There are two new chart types introduced in the Interactive Service Hub, and that's the tag and the donut chart. The tag charts display data as text, and the donut chart is similar to pie chart and displays the relationship of a part to a whole. We now move on to our demo. In the first example, we have a single stream dashboard which displays cases that have come in last week. And in this example, I shall demonstrate how to apply the timeline filter and the global filter. So to apply the timeline filter, all you need to do is select the timeline filter, and from the options available, you'd select the most relevant one. So in this example, we'll be selecting last month. You can see there are a few options available, but if none of these options suit you, you can always use the custom time frame and specify your start and end date. So let's just use last month. And based on my selection, you notice that all the dashboard components are automatically updated. We'll also now apply the global filter, and we'll filter the dashboard components where the case type equals problem. So we only want case type equals problem. So go to case type, select problem, and apply that filter. Again, my dashboard is further filtered with the case type, with all cases where the case type equals problem. We'll also look at what actions you can perform for a record in a stream. So I have a stream over here, which shows me all active cases. If I want to see the actions available for a particular record, I need to select the record by clicking the checkbox at the top of the dashboard, and the actions available will be displayed at the top of the record. Now I have more actions available in here as well. So you notice you do not need to navigate to the record to reassign it. You can do it directly from a stream. We'll now move on to a multi-stream dashboard, which is our next example, and we'll look at the timeline filter again, the visual filter, and the global filter. So we're looking at all three this time. So in a multi-stream dashboard, you can easily switch between the stream view and the tile view by clicking the button at the bottom of the page. So just select tile view, and then we're going to apply the timeline filter. Again, we'll choose last month. And to enable the charts, we'll click on the visual filter. And you notice the charts now appear. So in this example, we're going to search for all high priority cases by using the visual filter. And I've decided that I might also want to include the normal priority cases. So to do that, I'll now use the global filter and update my filter requirements. So I'll just click on normal and apply the filter. And I further want to filter these chart components by the incident type, and in this case I want to select where the incident type equals service. So you've noticed how the dashboard components are automatically refreshed as you apply the filters, the timeline, the global, and you can also filter by clicking on a segment in the chart. You will also notice that you can apply multiple filters on the dashboard. And again, in the visual filter view, you can easily switch between the tile view and the stream view. That'll display the records in the stream. We'll now move on to the redesign forms. So I'm going to open a case record from this dashboard itself. And what you'd see here is I have the tab layout at the top, so I can navigate between tabs. I also have my business process flow, and it gives me the stages and the steps involved in each stage. Got my case information on the form. I've got my timeline, which shows me my interaction history. I can easily add new interactions or filter by interaction type. I can search for interactions, and then I could have related information displayed to me in a subgroup. This is on my interactive service hub. We'll now move to a listing of cases. So I have a listing of cases here, and I'm going to show you how to enable the dashboard from a listing of cases. So all you need to do in this view is at the bottom left-hand corner of the page, there's a little chart icon there. If you click that, that will enable your dashboard for that specific entity. A few other items I'd like to highlight. So you have your quick create button in your interactive service hub, which allows you to easily create new records. And you also have the global search. So the universal search, capabilities, the universal search capabilities are also available in the interactive service hub. With that, we come to an end of the demo. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section at the bottom of the page. Thank you.